Hello students, welcome in our English YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn 1.2 The Thief's Story class 10. In the earlier video we have seen the thief's story warming up activities. Now let's see the lesson. The thief's story, this lesson is written by Ruskin Bond. Let's see something about Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond, who was born in 1934 and he is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family, where in Landour, in Mussoorie, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role. What did here the Indian Council recognize? The Indian Council for Child Education has identified his role, where in the growth of children's literature in India. He got the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for his work Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, for his published work in English. That work is written where? In which language? In English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. That is about Ruskin Bond. Now let's see the story in detail. The thief's story. Here there are shown two characters. One is the narrator, that means Hari Singh, and another one is the Anil. Hari Singh, who was 15 years old, and Anil, who was 25 years old. And the whole story here tells us about the importance of the human nature. Actually, money is not important in our life, that means in human beings life. What is important? Our nature. How is our nature? How do we behave with others? That's very important one. And at the end, that the message we get here in the story. Now let's see the story in detail. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Now let's see what is given here. I was. The whole story is given into the first person narration. Okay? In which one? First person narration. I was still a thief when he met Anil. That means here the narrator says that when he was a thief, okay, that time he met Anil. At that time he was only 15 years old. And how was he? He was the experienced one and fairly successful hand. That means he was very successful in robbery. He was a thief, okay, when he was only 15 years old when he met Anil. That time that here indicated. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. Now let's see what is given here. When Hari Singh, that means actually the name is not mentioned here. What is mentioned here? I. When that person met Anil, that time Anil was watching a wrestling match. And how many years old was he? He was only 25 years old. His personality means personality character sketches are mentioned here, or personality traits are mentioned here. What is that? He was 25 years old. He was tall, lean fellow. And how was he looking? He looked very easygoing one. He was very kind, very simple, enough for whose purpose? My purpose. That means the person says that he was easily going to be cheated by anyone. That kind of a person Anil was. Very simple, very kind one. His nature which was very different one. So anyone can deceive him very immediately. That kind of a person Anil was here. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. Here I, that means the person, tried to come into confidence of that young persons Who is that young person? Anil. Who was he? He was Anil. And the person who wanted to come into contact with Anil's confidence. If you will get Anil's confidence, then definitely it will be easy for that person to deceive Anil, because he wanted to first know about whether Anil has money or not. Okay, what kind of a person he was. If he got all kind of a details, then definitely it will be easy for him to cheat him. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. Actually, what did the person do here? At first, he said Anil that he looked a bit of a wrestler himself. That means it was something which that the person uses for making someone's flattery. That means whatever the person has, more than that he eats. Like that, he said here to whom? Anil. And just why? Because he wanted to get his confidence, and once he get his confidence, then definitely it was easy for him to make friendship with him. Okay, so that he made here little flattery about Anil. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment, because at the time I was rather thin. Now here we get the idea. Anil was good, having good personality, and the person who was meeting Anil, who was only 15 years old, who was a robber, who was a thief, not like Anil. He was very thin, small one. Okay, so when Anil replied that he also looked like a wrestler, but by this statement the person was not satisfied. He became a little bit nervous because he compared himself with Anil. Anil was very strong, looking good, and how was he? He was very small one, very thin one, very slim one. So a bit nervousness came in his mind. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. What's your name? Modestly. What is meant by modestly? Modestly means without boasting, in a very humble way. Okay. So what did here the narrator reply? The narrator replied that yes, he was also doing wrestling, but little bit, not always. I said modestly, means who said? The narrator said, I do wrestle a bit. Okay, that means after some time he replied to whom? Anil. After that, the narrator wanted to ask him further questions. Why? Because he wanted to get familiar with Anil, and it will be easy for him to came in confidence with Anil. So that he was trying that. What's your name? Who said this or who asked this? Anil asked. Hari Singh, I lied once again. Here the narrator lied. Actually, Hari Singh was not his real name. What was his real name? We don't get any idea. Why? There is given the reason. Let's see. I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. Former employers means whom he had robbed. Those are the former employers. And why did he change his name every month? Because he wanted to keep himself away from the police. And if he didn't change his name, then definitely the police would recognize him, and it would not be good for him again to rob anyone. So always in every month he changed his name. So when Anil asked him what's your name, that time also he lied him that his name was Hari Singh. Now let's see what is given next. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. Now what happened here? After that little bit introduction, both Anil's and Hari Singh's, Anil started talking with here the narrator. He started talking about that the wrestlers who were doing the match, How were they? They were oiled. And how were they? Doing all these activities? Grunting means making some low guttural sounds, lifting one another here, okay, and throwing each other about here and there. That the activities were going on between these wrestlers. Now here Hari Singh didn't have much to say, because whatever Anil talked with him, he didn't have to say another thing. After that, Anil walked away. But here, the narrator didn't stop. Okay? He followed casually. Okay? Why? What was his intention? What was his purpose? His purpose was to rob Anil. Okay? And so he wanted to go with him. So, when Anil started walking, the narrator also followed him very casually. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. When the narrator followed Anil stopped there. Okay? And the narrator gave him his most appealing smile. Appealing means giving attention, getting very attractive. Like that way, he gave his smile to whom? Anil. And what did he ask to Anil? He asked him, he wanted to work for him. Okay? But Anil replied him that he couldn't pay for him. Okay? Whatever the work he would do for him, but he was unable to pay for him because he didn't have money. I thought that over for a minute. That means after hearing the reply here of Anil, the narrator thought there for a minute. That means he thought that he had misjudged his man. Whom did he want to meet? Actually, the person was not the same one whom he wanted to meet. Okay? That he started thinking himself. I asked, can you feed me? Can you cook? I can cook. I lied again. Here, Anil asked him, what? That means he was unable to pay for him, whatever the work he would do for Anil. But after that, he asked him, that means the narrator asked Anil, can you feed me? Okay? So what was the reply from Anil? Anil replied him that he could cook for him. Then again the narrator replied him that he could cook him. Again he lied. Actually the narrator was unable to cook. Okay? But here he wanted to make friendship with Anil, and so once again he lied here. He told him that he was able to cook, but actually he was unable to cook. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. He took me to his room over the Jumna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible, because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. What happened here? Let's see. When the narrator agreed here to cook for Anil, Anil also agreed that he was able to feed him. Why? Because he needed someone to cook for him. Okay? Because he was the author. He was writing in the magazines. That the work he was doing there. He was the writer. So he needed someone to cook for him. And if the narrator was able to cook for him, definitely he might be feed him. Okay? So he took him to his room over the Jumna sweet shop. Then he told him that he could sleep here in his balcony. And that day he asked the narrator, means Hari, to cook meal. After that, Hari cooked a meal, but that was terribly, very, very bad one. Terribly bad. Why? Because when Anil started eating, he understood the test, and so with that meal he took the narrator with him. That meal he threw to a stray dog, but the dog was also unable to eat this. Correct? Why? Because it was a really very terrible one. And after that, Anil told him to get off from his house. Because why did he kill him? He wanted to cook for him. Okay? Who? Hari Singh. But Hari Singh was unable to cook for him. So what is the use of them to be there? So that Anil decided to get him off from his room. But Hari Singh didn't go away. Okay, he remained there. He lingered there. He gave his most appealing smile there again. Okay, and so Anil also couldn't help laughing, because he was very very innocent one. He was very simple one. He was very kind one. And because of that, when Hari Singh remained there, okay, gave his most appealing smile, again he changed his mind. Okay, and so he remained there. Later he patted me on the head and said, never mind, he would teach me to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. Now let's see what is given here. This is very important one. When Hari went again in Anil's room, what did he learn from Anil? Because Anil promised him to teach all these things. He patted him very innocently on the head and said, never mind. Okay, he would teach him. He would teach also cooking. After that, he started teaching him how to write his name. Then again, how to write the whole sentences. Again, he taught him to add the numbers, and definitely with the help of that education, because earlier the narrator was unable to write. He was unable to add numbers. He was unable to write his own name also. Okay, so all these things here were very very important one for Hari Singh, because all these activities definitely would be very very important one in his next life. Why? If he learn all these things once, it will be good for him to achieve more and more things in his future. Okay, that was the main thing. So he was very grateful there. He knew that once he learned all these things, once he got educated man, then there would not be any difficult for him. There wouldn't be any limitation on him. Okay, whatever he wanted, he would achieve it very definitely. That was the thing. So he wanted to learn each and everything from Anil. And Anil also started teaching him, because he was a very very easygoing kind of a person. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he didn't seem to mind. We have already seen about Anil. Anil was very simple kind of a person. Easily anyone can deceive him, and here Hari Singh took the advantage of that. When Anil told him to go away from his house, he didn't go, because he understood Anil what kind of a person he was. Okay, again he came with him. After that, Anil taught him all the things, cooking, then writing his name, writing sentences, to add sums. It was a really very grateful thing for Hari Singh. He was quite pleasant here. Why? Because all the things he learned from Anil, and it gave lot of here happiness to Hari Singh. That day, the narrator made tea in the morning for both Anil and himself. After that, Anil offered him some money to buy the day's supplies. But with that money also he started making profit here about a rupee a day. Okay, that was the thing. Means here Hari Singh started cheating to whom? Anil. Okay, because that made him little money. He thought that yes, definitely that activity of his definitely made him a little money, this way or that way. Okay, and it is not a very means a big amount. It's a very less one. So he started here deceiving to whom? Anil. Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check. But as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a pure way to make a living. By fits and starts means, in short, irregular intervals. What does it mean? By fits and start, this is a phrase, and it means that in short, irregular intervals. How did Anil make his money? Anil made his money by these short irregular intervals. Means his money that was not here always. That he got how? Irregularly. Okay. So he would borrow 1 week and lend it the next one. Next one week. Okay. He kept worrying about his next check then. As soon as the check he got, he would go out and celebrated it with his friends. How was Anil? You can here get the idea. What kind of a person? How was his nature? Okay, he was very helpful one. He was not always living in burden. He started means actually he liked here to enjoy life. So whatever money he got, he celebrates it. Okay, with that money. But here sometimes he borrowed money from others. After that lend the money also the next week. That was going on. But he kept worrying. He was very anxious till the next check. And as soon as it was in his hand, he was very happy and started celebrating with his friends. He wrote for the magazines. Okay, his lifestyle that was really very different one, a pure way to make a living. Okay, that kind of a person Anil was. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. Now let's see what is given here. This thing is very important one. That time means when Anil came home, he had a small bundle of notes in his hand. Okay, that he got from his publisher because he had just sold a book. And for that book, he got a small bundle of notes. There was the narrator, means Hari, and he saw him to keep the notes under the mattress. Later, what did the narrator decide? Let's see. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. Now what's given here? Let's see. We have understood Anil was very easy kind of a person. Anyone can cheat him, anyone can deceive him. And here Hari took the advantage of that. He started making profit by the daily supplies also. And when he observed keeping Anil money under the mattress, he decided to take that money. Okay, because he knew that he was very well known about this. When he got money, he celebrated it with his friends. Okay, and now he was working for Anil almost a month, but he didn't get more money. Okay, apart from whatever he cheated to him from that shopping. So little money he got here. Okay, that means now this was the good opportunity for him to make his life. Okay, and Anil had given him the key of the door, and it was very easy for Hari to go out, okay, with that money, and that pleased him a lot. He was really very happy. He was the person here who can get money with the help of that actually opportunity. Anil was the most trusting person here for Hari, because in his life there was not a single person who came like Anil. So Anil was the most trusting person for him, okay, whomever he met in his whole life. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. But it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Now he was thinking, who was thinking here? Hari. Hari was thinking about different types of people. Okay? He was telling us about these people, greedy person, careless person, and what happened with them when the person gets robbed here by someone. That means he told here that it was very difficult to rob him. Why? Because Anil was very careless. Even though Hari might here rob him, but he would not get here that he was robbed by someone. So that was the thing. So it was very difficult for Hari to rob him. He said that it's very easy to rob a greedy person. Why it is very easy? Because the greedy person can afford to be robbed. He understood that yes, someone has robbed him. But what about the careless person? It's very difficult one, because the person didn't even notice that he has been robbed by someone. Okay, and so whatever the pleasure is there, that goes away. Okay, that here Hari Singh told here. Well, it's time I did some real work. I told myself, I am out of practice. And if I don't take the money, what happened here? If I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. Now here he was thinking about Anil. Actually, he was working for Anil. Okay, and now he understood that Anil got some money because he observed or he saw a small bundle of notes. He also observed keeping that bundle under the mattress by Anil. So he started thinking that now it's his time now. Okay, what did he decide here? It was his time, and so he wanted to do something. Now he was out of his practice. Okay, and if he don't take that money, then what would Anil do with that money? Definitely he would only waste that money on his friends. Okay, and after all, he doesn't even pay to whom? Hari. So it would be good for me to rob Anil, and so that he decided to rob Anil. He decided to take that notes, okay, that small bundle of notes. What did we see today here? We have seen about Anil, we have seen about Hari Singh. Hari Singh was only 15 years old. He was a thief. He was an experienced one robber. And Anil, who was very easy kind of a person, easygoing, very simple, very innocent one. He was very helpful. Okay, even though Hari was unable to cook for him, for that he kept him actually, because there was no one in his family who will cook for Anil, and so that he kept Hari Singh in his room. Okay, after that he taught Hari Singh to cook meals. Okay, to cook means all kinds of dishes. After that he taught him to write his name, to make some sentences, to add the numbers, and made him to be educated person. And Hari Singh understood that yes, to be an educated person, that would be definitely a good thing for him to here make profit in his future life. Okay, so that he also was very happy in the company of Anil. Okay, I hope that you have understood this part, and in the next video we will see the remaining part of the story. Bye bye. Thank you.